Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Pythagoras theorem. You must have heard its name earlier. It is a very useful theorem in mathematics. So let us see what the statement says. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So first of all, let us see what is a hypotenuse. As you in this diagram, you can see that this angle B is of 90 degree, right? And we know that the side opposite to 90 degree, which is AC, is hypotenuse, right? So AC becomes our hypotenuse, and we have to prove that square of hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equals to square of the sum of the square of the other two side, that is AB square plus BC square, right? So this is our target, to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So we're going to prove this. Here comes a proof. So for proving, for the convenient, I have drawn this BD perpendicular to AC. You can see I have drawn this BD perpendicular to AC. So to begin with, in triangle ABC and ADB, ABC, this triangle, and ADB, you can see this angle A is common. Angle A is equals to angle A common. Also angle ABC, this is angle ABC, and ADB, this is angle ADB. They both are of 90 degree. You can see clearly in diagram that this angle ABD and this angle ABC are of 90 degree, each 90 I have written over here. So in these two triangles, two angles have come equal. So by AA rule, the triangles becomes similar, right? As the triangles become similar, so their sides will be in proportion. This property you must be knowing. If two triangles are similar, then all their sides are in proportion. So their sides are in proportion. I have written it here, that AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AB. So after cross multiplication, you see AB gets multiplied with AB, right? It becomes AB square, and this AC gets multiplied with AD. So this is your first statement, that AB square is equal to AC into AD. After that, we again choose this triangle ABC and BDC. Again, this we can prove both the triangles similar, as we proved it earlier. Angle C is common, right, in them, and this angle is of 90 degree, this angle is of 90 degree. By AA rule, the triangles becomes similar. It's very clear. After that, again, by using the same rule, the sides are in proportion. You can see these two sides are in proportion, and cross multiplying will give me BC square is equal to AC cross DC. I mark this statement as number 2, right? So adding 1 and 2, this is number 1, this is number 2. Adding 1 and 2 gives me, left hand side is AB square, BC square, AB square plus BC square, right? And right hand side is AC into AD, AC into DC. So it comes here AC into AD plus AC into DC. You can see AC we can take common out of it. Okay, so we take AC common, as it is here and here, AC common. After that, what is left? AD, DC. AD plus DC is left. And in the diagram, if you see, AD plus DC is AC, right? So we have written here AC. So it becomes AC cross AC. AC cross AC, which is AC square. So it gives me my solution. See, this is what we need to prove. This is what we needed to prove, that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and this we have obtained it here. So that is your solution. Thank you. Have an awesome day. God bless you all.